Well, good morning everyone and welcome back to the Snowden Sampler Sew Along. We are on week 6 and we're back in my studio and I just wanted to show you what I'm working on. I mentioned in the first video that this is often how I work, while I lay my pieces out on the background and audition the colors as I'm working on the blocks. So this is what we have done so far, and we are working on this block right here for this week. Let me show you on the big quilt what that is. So we have this block right here, that middle one in the dark teal, and also up here in the gray right there. So it's a super easy block to make. You will be done in no time on that. And one other thing I wanted to comment on is, you can see I'm just laying my blocks out on a little background piece because I'm thinking about making just a small little sampler out of just one block, because that's what I'm making to demo with you. So I'm going to have a bunch of these blocks left over, and I think it might be kind of fun to have a different size. I do already have 2 of this size made up, so I don't need another large one, but sometimes it's fun to have a little small sampler quilt too. So that is why I have it laid out like this. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how we make our block for this week. Those are the pieces I have cut, a few background pieces, and my toes down here. And I'll be back shortly with the instruction for that block. Okay, in the previous photo I showed you all your cut pieces, so you're ready to go. The next step is to make your half square triangles, which are here. Now I've already gone over that in week 3 in that video, so if you want to review that, you can go to the 2-minute mark of the week 3 video. Once you've made those, then we're going to join these pieces here, here, and here. After you've done that, you'll be able to join here and here, and then we can go back and join those 2 pieces right there. And as you go, you can follow the pressing instructions on each step as it's given by the little arrows. Okay, so we've got our finished block ready to go, and the pattern does give you a proof size of 8.5 by 15.5. Now the biggest ruler that I have is 15 by 15. So as you can see, we're good going this way. We can measure our 8.5. But we need to borrow a 1/2 inch from another ruler over here to get to our 15.5 inches this way. So I just wanted to mention that in case you are like me and do not have a big enough ruler for a block that's that size. And you'll need to make 2 of these blocks if you're making the big sampler. And that's it for this week. So if you're done super fast like I was, you can also use this week to catch up on some of the other blocks that you might be behind on. All right, as you can see, I've got this week's block laid out right here. And we're going to be looking ahead to next week, where we're going to make this block right here. And so that's what I'm auditioning in this corner here, just trying to decide on what color the bow is. So that's your assignment for this week, and looking forward, and happy sewing.